Hey everybody, today we're going to learn how to duplicate an object in Blender. There are two different ways. The simplest one is the object duplicate. When you click the object, you select it, and you press Shift D in object mode, and then you have the same object in two separate ways. And the other option is the linked duplicate, where some properties of the object are linked to the parent object. It's not parent object, it's the object you duplicate first. So we press Alt D in object mode, and at first glance it's the same, but if we go to edit mode and we for example change the scale of this object, we make it bigger, we can see that the linked object that we have made changes also the scale or the rotation, for example, but the duplicate object no. And that would be all. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has helped you out on your future projects or your current projects.